On the outside of the house, you'll have electrical outlets like this one. So they'll be located closer to the front door, the back door, and if you have one, closer to the side door. These are all connected together on one exterior circuit. It's also protected by a GFCI, which is located next to the electrical panel in the basement. So if the plugs don't work, if they don't have power, if you go inside the electrical panel, right to the next to it, there will be a GFCI there which you can reset. On the outside of the home, you'll also have at least one gas meter. And then as we go through, we'll see there's also an electrical meter here. And these are set up, we use these during construction so that then when you take possession, the reader reading won't be at 0. So it's a really good idea to take a picture of those on your possession day, just to make sure that everything is you know, you're paying only for your own electricity. You don't want to pay for ours. You also have on the outside of the home, outside taps or bib hose. So these here you'll be located either on the back and front of the home. Sometimes they'll be on the front of the home and in the garage. So with these here, you want to make sure that they're drained off every single fall. So the way to do this is you go inside to the water valve in the main one, turn that off where it's labeled exterior bib hose or outside taps. You want to turn that valve off. Then you come outside, you open up the faucet here. That allows air to get into the system. Go back down into the basement, and on the valve there's a little cap. If you undo that cap, you will drain the water, usually a liter or 2 out. You can return that cap back on again, come back outside and close the valves. So you want to do that every single fall, just so there's no water that freezes on the outside of the home. Outside here as well, you'll have venting for your hot water tank and furnace. Now your home may have more than this. It might have, some homes have 2 furnaces and 2 hot water tanks, or some homes have 1 and 1. However many you have, each device will have its own exhaust and intake. There's nothing really that you need to do with these. Just understand that you never want anything to plug or block these from allowing air to come in or air to come out. So you never want to lean furniture against here. You don't want to put any kind of grill or anything over it. You also, if you have a really big icicle in the winter, you can knock it down.